Hello, good afternoon guys for today's video. Today is Mira Kyle's birthday. So, magbe-birthday siya sa Jollibee. So, papunta na tayo dun sa venue, guys. Dito tayo sa birthday girl. Hi! So, abangan lang natin yung videos natin dun guys. Mamaya. Let's go! So, hello guys, nandito na tayo ngayon sa venue sa may Jollibee. So, titignan natin kung ano yung mga kaganapan dito. Let's go! Hi ka, hi!
Hi! Hello! Happy 7th birthday to Miracle! She's my niece.
Yun no?
Yeah.
Anong masasabi mo, ma'am?
She's wonderful. She's very thankful kasi nandito yung mga
Bisita.
families and visitors.
Iyon po. So, yun po. Ay, pre, kamusta nga?
Dito. Tingin dito lang natin.
Alrighty, so parang hapon ko sa ating lahat and welcome here at Jollibee. Pinasipon tayo ng saan? Bida ang saya! Today we are celebrating the birthday of Ate Mira. So how about we start our celebration with your biggest round of applause para rin ang po rin at masigabong palakpakan. Let's welcome no other than Ate Mira! A big round of applause for you. Siyempre together with your loving parents, Nessie, Mommy, and Daddy. Masigabong palakpakan! Taga-bibo sa ating lahat and welcome here at Jollibee Magic Monterey. And before we start once again our program, let me naman again everyone na meron po tayong attendance sa labas. Magkikisuyo na lang po kami para po yun sa ating food distribution later on. And may request everyone to please stand up.
Yes, tayo po tayong lahat.
Yes.
I can be who I wanna be. I can see whatever I wanna see. Believing in all possibilities. I am my own destiny. I can dream and I can be. I can soar higher than my family. I can glide and be free.
Kung naman doon, tuwa kami ni Jollibee.
Talo tayo.
Hindi makapakatlak nila. So guys, this is our ongoing preparation. I mean, birthday party of Mira Kyle's birthday. We have here our birthday celebrant. Happy birthday. This is me.
Jollibee! Best friend, Jollibee! Once again, let's welcome best friend, Jollibee! Hello, best friend, Jollibee! Hi! Say hi to all of them. Okay, get ready, Jollibee! Lower, 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 lower. May makita, Jollibee. Alright, let's give it a best friend, Jollibee. Ayan, in-invite po namin si Ate Mira. Halika dito, Ate Mira. At mag-picture tayo together with best friend, Jollibee.
Happy birthday! Picture na kami, guys!
Ikaw ay makaka-receive ng isang Jollibee. Long palakpakan naman natin si best friend Jollibee. Thank you so much, Jollibee. At syempre, hindi pa dyan nagtatapos ang surpresang dala ni Jollibee dahil blowing ni Ate Mira. Ayan, pwede bang tumayo lahat ng tapos na pong kumain? At sabay-sabay nga po natin awitan ng isang malakas na birthday song, si Ate Mira. And let's sing! Come on, everyone! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Isa pa yung mas malakas at mas masaya. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Sabay-sabay po natin isigaw, happy birthday, Mira. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday, Mira. And let's all count. 1, 2, 3, then blow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, blow! Palakpakan naman po natin si Ate Mira. Thank you so much, everyone.